Hi guys, welcome back to another video. As you can see, we are now back in the UK, which is a far cry from the videos that I've been releasing recently in Thailand. Don't you worry, there'll be more videos of Thailand I have upcoming. So in today's video we are going to fly my drone, my DJI Mini Pro with the RC controller, which I recently purchased. I was supposed to take it with me when I went to Thailand, but unfortunately it actually arrived during the day I was due to fly out. So obviously I didn't take it with me, but you might be wondering as to why do I have any drone video shots in my recent video. Well, you'll find out soon. Today I decided that it's a nice day in the UK, which is very rare actually, because the last few days we have been getting some torrential rain. As you can see, it's not usually flooded here. So yeah, we're gonna practice flying my drone. This is my makeshift sort of case for my drone. And one thing you'll know about this drone is that it's very light. It's 249 grams, which means that you don't need the license. Actually a licensed drone operator, if that means anything. So as you can see here, it's very open, not much going on. A few people walking their dogs and stuff. This is my first time flying the drone, so again, no hateful comments or anything like that. So here it is. This is the RC controller with the built-in screen and the very light and small DJI Mini Pro 3. And yeah, very light, 249 grams. Should have probably bought my GoPro so I can do a POV of this taking off. We'll see. So that is the view. Yes, storage card detected. Let me just set this up quickly. Confirm, yes. So can you guys see that? Hopefully you can. It's not too much clear. That's the view from the camera of the drone. Give you a better perspective. Give me 1 second here.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Oh, okay. So that's my face, my handsome face, yes. And yeah, that's what you can see so far. So all HD 4K. Should be recording now. Here's me. SD card speed low. Okay, don't know what that means. But yeah, let's get away from the thing. Alright, let's try and fly it. as you can see, guys, I definitely need more time practicing this thing. That was just the first flight. Yeah, I need to know how to really land it home properly instead of just landing it on the grass and let the propeller sort of die. Okay, I'm gonna end the video there, guys. That has been the first flight of my DJI Mini 3 RC Pro. As you can see, battery is not, well, it's not a big issue, but it's only about 30 minutes of flight time. I'll double check, but it's around that. And you can get another battery or a bigger one with longer life flight time, but I think that will make the drone heavier and will no longer fit into the 249 category. But no worry, because we have got a license. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. It was really fun. If you guys considering getting a Mini 3 Pro, we'll definitely get it, because it's been a cool little toy so far, and I'm looking forward to creating more videos and memories with it. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys for the next upload.